Hello, friends. Hope you're well. And I'm back with another beautiful idea and amazing ideas that is pallet wood beds. They're amazing and they are an excellent way to add rustic charm and natural beauty to any bedroom. These beds are made from reclaimed pallet wood, which is often sourced from shipping pallets that have been discarded or are no longer in use. Pallet wood beds can be both environmentally friendly and affordable, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a touch of rustic charm to their bedroom decor. One of the best things about pallet wood beds is their versatility. When it comes to decorating, these beds can be customized in a variety of ways to suit any style or taste. For a minimalist look, simply leave the pallet wood unfinished and pair the bed with white bedding and clean lines. Alternately, for a bohemian or eclectic look, add brightly colored throw pillows, tapestries, or wall hangings. Another great idea for decorating a pallet wood bed is to incorporate plants into the decor. Hanging plants or potted plants placed around the bed can add a touch of natural beauty and freshness to the space. Additionally, adding a plant or two can help to soften the rustic feel of the pallet wood and create a more inviting atmosphere. Another way to decorate a pallet wood bed is to use textiles. Adding a cozy knit blanket or a textured throw pillow can instantly make the bed feel more inviting and comfortable. Additionally, incorporating a rug or two can help to create a cozy and intimate atmosphere in the room. Finally, consider adding lighting to your pallet wood bed. String lights or a small table lamps can add a warm and inviting ambience in the space. Additionally, using dimmer switches or overhead lights can help to create a more relaxing and cozy environment. In conclusion, pallet wood beds offer a wealth of decorating opportunities for any bedroom. Whether you prefer a minimalist, bohemian, or rustic style, pallet wood beds can be customized to suit any taste. By incorporating plants, textiles, or lighting, you can create a warmer and inviting atmosphere that is sure to be a century of relaxation and comfort. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like it, and if you like our channel, subscribe us and hit the like button.